In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view pinned items in Slack. Pinned items are a simple way to keep important messages and files at your fingertips inside a specific conversation. Think of them as a curated shortlist for a channel or direct message, perfect for saving key announcements, shared documents, or anything you don't want to scroll for later. Let's walk through the easiest way to find them, and then I'll show you an alternative if you prefer using search. Start by opening the channel or direct message where you want to see what's been saved. At the top of the conversation, look for the pin icon or a button labeled Pinned Items. It lives in the header area alongside other channel details. Click it, and Slack will open a panel called the Pins tab. This tab is dedicated to that conversation, so everything you see here has been pinned in this exact channel or DM, not somewhere else. Inside the Pins tab, you'll see a tidy list of all pinned messages and files. Each item shows a preview, so you can quickly recognize what you were looking for. Click any pinned message to jump directly to its place in the conversation, which is helpful if you want to see the full context or the discussion around it. Files will open as you'd expect, and you can use the conversation's normal tools to react, reply, or share as needed. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see the pin icon, make sure you're actually inside the conversation header. Some layouts tuck details behind a small Show Details or Info button. Also remember, pins are specific to each conversation. If you switch to a different channel or DM, the Pins tab will show a different set of items. Now, if you prefer using search, you can also find pinned content through the search bar at the top of Slack. Type a keyword related to what you need, then use the filters to narrow things down. Choose the conversation, the person, or a date range. As you review the results, look for items that are marked as pinned. This approach can be handy when you remember a phrase or file name but don't want to browse manually. That said, the Pins tab is usually the fastest and most direct way to see everything that's been saved in one place. And that's it. Use the Pins tab for a clean, conversation-specific list, and fall back on search when you're chasing a particular keyword. With these two methods, you'll never lose track of important information in Slack.